What if I told you there's an animal that climbs all the way down a tree just once a week to poop, and every time it does, it risks being eaten alive? This is the sloth, and this is its deadly poop ritual. Sloths are slow, like really slow. So slow, in fact, that they only poop once every 7 days, and when that moment comes, they descend from the safety of the trees onto the dangerous forest floor. They dig a small hole, do their business, and then slowly climb back up. But here's the weirdest part. Almost half of all sloth deaths happen during this weekly poop trip. So, why? Why not just poop from the tree, like a normal lazy animal? Monkeys do it. Birds do it. Even lizards do it. Scientists have debated this for decades. Some think it's to fertilize their favorite trees. Others say it might help hide them from airborne predators. And then, there's a really weird theory. Maybe they're communicating through poop. Turns out, there's more to this than meets the eye. In sloth fur, tiny moths live. When the sloth poops, the moths jump off and lay eggs in the dung. The larvae feed, then fly back to the sloth. And those moths? They fertilize algae growing on the sloth's fur. Algae that the sloth eats. A poop-powered ecosystem. Poop feeds moth. Moth helps algae. Algae feeds sloth. Nature is efficient and super weird. So next time you feel weird or lazy, remember, the sloth literally risks its life for a poop that feeds a moth, that grows algae, that becomes its food. Want to learn more weird science that actually makes sense? Hit that subscribe button and keep thinking weird.